A very good day to all my listeners all across the world. Welcome back to my podcast, George Nathaniel, and this is George Nathaniel for each one of you. Listeners, today I've come back with a question. Well, this is a question that a youngster has just come and asked me. So, this youngster recently came up to me and said, Sir, a lot of people think I talk too much. A lot of people think I ask too many questions. A lot of people think I have too many doubts. A lot of people think that I just ask, I just speak. What is the right questions? How should I be asking the right questions? And does the right questions actually get the right answers at times or not? Well, I was taken back. So I told the youngster, listen, the first thing that you need to do is understand the art of asking. So when I say the art of asking, you need to create a mission in your life. The mission that leads to your welfare, your happiness, and your growth. So when you are seeking an answer, you need to understand that yes, the question needs to go in as simple, as relevant, and as realistic as possible. So if you follow the art of asking, you will definitely get the right answers over the right questions, and that will also help you learn and scale faster in life. So I told him, youngster, have a seat. Let me begin by telling you, all the good things in the world won't help you if you don't have a teachable spirit. And the teachable spirit comes from asking questions. The more questions you ask, the more you build your knowledge, the more you build your awareness. And if you have a teachable spirit, you can achieve any goal in your life. So then I told him, one can be as great and successful as they are. But it's one's worth, or your worth, of chasing your mission in life. It what helps you with the art of asking, the art of knowing, and the art of being teachable that helps you get better. So the art of asking questions actually defines how much more you want to learn, how much more you want to grow, and how this growth can lead to greater success in life. So then he actually sat down and he was very happy, I could see. He was very satisfied. So I said, now I need to explain to him the art of asking questions. So I told him, when you have a question or doubt in your mind, you need to understand a few things. So you need to start with understanding that the greatness of anything starts with simplicity. So when I say simplicity, I say you need to master yourself through your thought process, through your action process, and through your vision. And when you are able to master yourself, you are able to use simple language, a language that is easy to understand, a language that is easy to communicate, a language that is easy to narrate, and most importantly, a very straightforward language. And this straightforward, simple language avoids any unnecessary complications. So when you use simple language in your entire progress, you actually take a big leap forward. The next thing you need to understand while asking a question, is the art of asking a question is to define your goal. What do you sort from that question? Is it just a learning, or is it just an answer, or something to help you grow faster in life? So the art of learning while defining a goal is to first think. So when you think, understand, and then you'll know what you want to ask and what you desire of the result. in what you're asking. And that will give you more clarity in making your goals more effective in life. And along the art of asking questions is the art of understanding. So the art of understanding comes from challenging your assumptions. So as you ask questions, as you learn, as you grow, you need to keep examining yourself. You need to re-examine yourself. Understand that yes, what are the correct things that you are doing, how you can better them, how you need to align them. And the art of question also says to be very, very precise. When I say be very precise, you need to be to the point. You need to be specific to what you want to know, what you need, what you desire, and understand that a question is just one thing. You cannot confuse a question by asking too many things in the same para itself. So a question is just one thing you're asking. That is the art of asking. That's the art of asking questions. So like I said in the beginning, you need to create a mission in your life. And the mission is led by the art of asking, the art of learning, the art of welfare, the art of happiness, and the art of growth. So the art of asking questions, you need to understand that you need to be open and ask open-ended questions. Avoid leading questions. A lot of people have doubts, so they put those doubts into the questions and lead the question, hoping to get an answer in the question itself. No, that is not the way. It has to be an open-ended question. It has to be a neutral question. And above everything, it has to be very, very logical. So when you are able to understand these process, which is the most important process, that will help you to upskill. That will help you to grow over your talent. And that will help you to better everything that you do in life. And the art of asking any question, understand, it will show in the softness in your attitude. It will show in your humbleness. It will show in your eagerness. And it will show over your zeal that how that question can help you grow further in life. So while being teachable, grow faster. While being teachable, learn, elevate. Life has no limitations. I keep saying that time and again. So when I relate to the subject, the art of asking questions for that little youngster, and in all my podcast, I talk about key takeaways. Out here, the key takeaway in the art of asking questions is very simple. Be open to ideas and feedback. So if you're asking a question, be open to the answer. Be open to the feedback. You need to listen attentively. So when I say listen attentively, is understanding what is being told to you. What is the answer? How you are going to relate to it. You need to learn. You need to align. And most importantly, once you get all the answers, that will help you to think. That will help you to observe situations before acting. And that will always get you in the right direction, leading to success. So the art of asking question is being honest, setting yourself boundaries that you need to ask to learn, you need to ask to grow, and understanding priorities in life. So the art of asking questions helps you. It helps you see your success. It helps you feel your success. It helps you to imbibe with your success. And the art of asking questions is getting your efforts aligned with your values, chasing your goals in life. So if I was to tell you as a mentor out here, I would say true motivation comes from within. It helps you to be consistent in every meaningful progress. And when I relate that to the art of asking question, I would say every time you ask a question, you should be ready to learn, and you should be ready to grow over. And it should help you to evaluate yourself, make you much more stronger in everything that you want to do in life. So for that listener, for that youngster, Gen Z, keep asking questions, keep learning over, keep aligning your life, keep getting stronger, keep building over with your knowledge, keep growing over your skill sets, keep strengthening your talent, and above all, keep building value as an individual. The more value you build as an individual, the more you can contribute to all spheres of your life, be it your personal life, professional life, or any engagements across life. So the art of asking questions is a brilliant question. So how you sit down, how you understand, how you relate, and how you put into action is very important, and that is the art of asking question. So listeners, as you know, I keep all my podcasts very simple, very generic, and just eye-openers for each one of you to understand your situation, your circumstances, your goals, and how much you want to elevate in your life. So here's wishing everyone greater success, greater achievements, and of course, keep making the best of life, be the best contributor to life. So wishing everyone a great day, a great year, great success. And as you know, my podcast, George Nathaniel, is available across all platforms. And I also have my blog website, which is called georgenathaniel.net. You can come into any of the podcast platforms, listen to my podcast, put in a request, one you want me to speak about, and I'll be more than happy to research, gather this information, and share them with everyone all across the world. Or if you want me to write a blog on a case study that will help you, come to me, ask that question. That's why the topic is today the art of asking questions. It might just help me grow also in life. So thank you very much, listeners, for listening to this podcast, The Art of Asking, and I wish each one of you a great day ahead.